everyone, today I'm going to be doing a beauty haul and of things that I purchased over the past little bit of time. And also I'm going to unbox my Boxycharm. The first thing I'm going to start with is my Boxycharm, and this is for the month of September. And I'm just going to get right into it. I did peek a little bit as usual, to be honest. I am impatient. I could not wait, so yeah. And here's the back of the card. It has some discounts on it. 30% off with any order of the new Filter First Luminous Foundation or Concealer. The theme is wildflower, so it's like a floral, like glowy. It looks like from the photo, like a very glowy, pretty, like natural type look. So I'm just gonna get right into it. And the first thing that I got in here, and I'm really excited about this, are this brush set from Alamar Cosmetics, and it has rose gold. I think this is the ferrule. It has a rose gold ferrule and this green color, which I love this green color and the rose gold together. I never thought those two together would be so pretty, but this is gorgeous. It comes with a fluffy blending brush, a flat little shader, and a like flat liner brush. This color combination is gorgeous, like I love it, and I can't wait to use those. I didn't really need more brushes, but I always have room for more brushes, I'm gonna be honest. Like, I'm a brush hoarder, I love brushes. And the next thing that's in here, which is also extremely exciting, Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in the color Tropic Hues. And this is like an apricot type color, and it's shimmery. Here's the true color, actually, from the side. And here's what it looks like in a swatch. I don't know if that's really gonna... It's really pretty. And it is a full size. And that retails for $28. The brush set retails for $18, which is a really good price for that. And like I said, this is a really gorgeous blush, and it's in Tropic Hues. Gorgeous. I have another one, but in a mini size that I got in a Boxycharm a long time ago, and it's beautiful. I love it. It just gives the most gorgeous, like, lit from within glow. And the blush I have on today is Benefit California, if you're wondering, and my highlighter is Fenty Mean Money and Hustler Baby mixed together. The next thing that's in here is by Pretty Vulgar, and it's the Nightingale palette. And when I looked at this first, I did play with it just a little bit. I did play with this palette a little bit, but here are the colors. This is quite cool toned, very cool toned. I don't have anything like this, like cool toned like this, because I'm not a cool tone girl, but since I have nothing like this, I really think that this will be useful in my collection. And a lot of people mostly have warm palettes, except, to be honest, some people do use a lot of cool tones, because I know my mom uses mostly cool tones, but this is a pretty palette. It's just very cool, which is not normally my cup of tea. Here, they don't have names, I don't think, but that is the cream color in the palette right here. This is the middle color at the top. The color next to that middle color. It doesn't look as white as it does when you put it on your hand. This is that gray color that's in the second row. And I'm just gonna swatch these on my arm. Though, to be honest, swatches are never impressive looking to me. But there is the top, the first like 5 colors. And I'm just going to show you guys all the colors. Oh, I guess they do have names. I'm an idiot. Okay. Now I'm going to... And here are those next colors. A color that I find really chalky is the color Dark Side. I find that to be chalky. And here's the last 3 colors in the palette. This is a dark brown, a dark gray, and a black. And here are those last 3 colors. I'll do a look with that palette because I never do any cool tone looks on my channel, so it'd be something different. But yeah, this is the Nightingale palette from Pretty Vulgar. It has a nice big mirror in here. You could definitely use this for travel to do your makeup, and yeah. It's a pretty palette. It's usually not my cup of tea, but it is very pretty. And I have the next thing in here, which is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Eyeliner. And this is a black eyeliner that has like a pizza cutter type of brush. And there is a stroke of that brush. It's hard to know what I'm doing from... There we go. Here's a couple lines I did. But this seems like it'll be a good eyeliner. It does very thin lines, which I like. If you want thick eyeliner though, I don't know if you'll be able to get that look with this, since it does have that pizza cutter type of thing. But the packaging's really pretty. It has like really pretty pink color on it. And the last thing that's in here is by Hank & Henry. And it's a liquid lipstick, which I like how this looks like a bullet lipstick, but it's not. And this is in the color Petal Pusher. Ooh, and it has a really pretty owl at the top, which I didn't even notice that until just now. And I love owls, so that is a plus. And like I said, it's in the color Petal Pusher. I wore this to work the other day, because like I said, I did peek into this thing. And it did wear well. It smells like cake batter / icing. But yeah, this does wear really well. And it doesn't really transfer. It transfers like slightly, the slightest amount, but barely at all. But that's what was in my Boxycharm. And now on to the stuff that I purchased. I'll have on the screen how much those retailed for, if I did not say it. Which I honestly feel like I did not say most of them. But I'm going to move on to makeup and skin type items and hair. And I placed an order from Sephora. And I ordered a mini size of the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder in the color Translucent Light. Which this is just like a translucent type light medium color. And I have been using that, and you guys have seen this in videos before because I've been using it in videos. And I didn't use that to set my eyes today. I thought I did, but I used the Laura Mercier powder. Laura Mercier. And I got a Sephora lipstick, and this was in my favorites video. And it's just the lip last, like regular bullet lipstick, but this lasts so well. Like, I feel like this is on par with liquid lipstick type lasting power. Even though it's not dry or like matte even really, so I don't know how. But this is in the color, I think it's in the color like Always Rose or something like that. It has rose in the name, but it's a gorgeous color. This is similar to that color of that liquid lipstick that I just showed you guys. So if you're looking for like a rosy type color but at an affordable price, I got this on sale for like $7. I don't know if it's still on sale, but it was on sale for $7 when I bought it. And then from Ulta, I have a couple items. I have first the Lancome Monsieur Big. I hope I'm saying the right, Monsieur Big mascara, and this is just a regular one, not the waterproof, and just Big is the new black color. I got this when Ulta was having that sale. Like, they're still doing it, I think, the 21 Days of Beauty. And I bought this when it was $12 on sale, which that was a really good price for that. And also in that sale, I got the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer. And this says it's waterproof. I didn't know it was waterproof. And this was on sale for $4. I got it in the color Medium Neutral. I do have this on today, though it's been a sweaty day and it might have faded just a little bit. But I feel like this lasted really well, considering I was really sweating a lot. Like, it's really hot outside. But I do really like that concealer. And then I got a sponge from Real Techniques, and this is the sponge. It's from the Blush Crush line, and it's the like diamond sponge. I had the regular diamond sponge once, and it fell behind my bed months ago. And I literally just found it and got it out like not too that long ago. So that was really gross, and I had to throw it away. But I did really like that sponge, so I'm sure I'll also like that one. And then from CVS, I got the Revlon Instafix Photo Ready Instafix foundation. And this is in the color Rich Ginger, which this is a good color for me right now. I don't have this on today. I have been wearing this, but I think I wore this one of the days in my vlog, but I don't remember if I did it for sure or not. But I do really like that. It is more, it doesn't keep me matte like all day, but this is summertime, so I don't expect like, really nothing keeps me matte all day. But that one does make me get a little bit more dewy than I would normally with other matter foundations. But I do really like it. It's really convenient. It has medium coverage. It will not get higher than a medium coverage though. It doesn't have like super full coverage or anything. But I do like that. And it's very convenient to be in the stick form. And then from Target, I got a face moisturizer, and this is the Garnier Skin Active Rose Water Soothing 3-in-1 face mask and day and night cream. I really like this. It is a little bit thick for me right now. It's a little thick with 2 C's, and I was looking for a moisturizer that was maybe thick with half a C or like 1 C, but it's not too thick to the point where it like clogs my pores or it's extra. Like, it really moisturizes my skin, though I do feel like it'd be more suited to me in the winter time. And then I just got a nail polish remover from Target. And then I went to Kohl's today, and I got the BH Cosmetics Naturally Flawless Foundation, and this is in the color Sand. And this was $9.50 at Kohl's. And I love that Kohl's is carrying BH Cosmetics now. They don't have every single thing that's online, but they have a lot of stuff. And they have testers out, so you're able, if you want to order from BH Cosmetics and you don't know like what your shade is, or there's a Kohl's near you and you've wanted this foundation or something, go test it out, your color, because the color that I would have thought was my color online is not at all what my color ended up being. So I would definitely like go to your local Kohl's and test out. And they have eyeshadow palettes there. I wanted to get this really bad. I don't know why I didn't get it. The Zodiac palette from BH Cosmetics. I wanted that really bad, but I don't know. I just didn't pick it up, even though I was looking at it and everything. You know when you talk yourself out of a purchase and then you get home and you're like, why did I do that? But that was one of those instances. And the last thing I got is this Curls Blueberry Bliss Hair Growth Oil. And I got this off Amazon. This was, if you're looking to get this off Amazon. Don't go to Target and buy it. Don't do any of that. Because on Amazon, if you have Prime shipping, this is literally like, I think I paid like $8 or $9 for this, and at the store it's $15. So I would definitely check this out on Amazon if you're looking to get that. But that's all for my haul today. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, and I'll have my latest video right here, my last video, and the subscribe right here. It might be the other way around. If you like my videos, you need to subscribe.